Hi, my name is Demond Crump. I'm the CEO and founder of Jewel Sanitary Napkins LLC, which is home of the actual famous rain pads, because our slogan says it all. Finally, her feminine flow has met its match. Someone thought you were special enough to invite you to this video, and I know even if you're a man, why would I be looking at a presentation on a sanitary napkin? Even me being a man myself. And what is a man doing talking about this? Well, we're going to show you why. When I saw this, I was blown away, because remember, I'm a husband as well as a father, and there are women in my life that I love and I care about. And now to know that there's a better alternative for them to use on a monthly basis, it just made sense for me to take it to the next level and be in the business. What I'm going to do is, we've discovered that the average female, while they're on their cycles, they give off between changes between 15 and 50 milliliters throughout the day. So what I'm going to do for you guys is, I'm going to literally go to the top end and I'm going to pour this entire 50 milliliters of water into this pad. This is very important. I need you to see this. This right here is where I begin to get blown away as a man. Hey, as a man, I know you're not interested. I wasn't interested. Didn't want to see it. Why am I in this meeting? But when I saw what I saw, I was totally impressed. Now, I want you to see all the water is gone. The reason why this is important is because we've discovered that many females have challenges. Watch this. Because they're wet. When you are wet, you have that moisture. You have bacteria during that time of month. Your body temperature is 98.6, 98.7 degrees. That's a recipe for disaster. It leads to things like yeast infections and urinary tract infections, and also long-term damages. We're not saying that our product, or making any medical claims towards our product. That's not what we're doing. We're saying what we've been educated about on how these things happen because of the chemicalization of other tampons and pads that women are using out there. Now, what we want to do is, we're taking this red napkin here, as you guys can see, right? We've took the pad, poured 50 milliliters on it. I'm going to just apply some pressure here. I want you guys to see that I'm pressing. So you literally can see, this is why we got excited, because this is what we came up with. When I saw this, I could not believe what I was looking at. When I saw how dry the napkin was, I was blown away. But now I want to go a step further. I'm going to take a cup of water that's more than halfway full. But I want you all to remember, we've already poured 50 milliliters into this actual pad. So what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to take the entire absorbency system of this pad out, right? So I'm going to take the entire middle part out. As y'all can see, I'm also a professional at tearing these pads up as well. So I'm going to take this. I'm now going to drop it inside of this cup of water here. This is important for you to see. Okay? Now, one thing that I'm going to do in the meantime is, I want to tell you guys about our graphene. Graphene is a Nobel Prize winning material that we've literally infused into all of our products. As you can see, our products are over here. We have our panty liners with the wings. That's our white pack. We have our green pack, which is our panty liners without wings. We have our heavy flow pads. We have our moderate to light flow pads, and we have our super heavy flow pads over here. Our Wakandas is what they're being called, because they're so amazing. Now, what I want to do is, remember, I just poured 50 milliliters onto the pad, took the absorbency system out, put it in a cup of water that was halfway full. I really have a question for the audience out there. I need you to tell me what happened to the water. Literally, guys, we have taken this cup of water and turned it to a gel, because our rain pads, it literally helps keep women comfortable and dry. And also, we found out that when women on their cycle, their body is running a lot hotter than normal. So what we wanted to do was create a process that also cools you off in the process. How many of you ladies can use that in the summertime? Think about it, ladies. And now what I want to do is demonstrate the power of graphene before we close out. Graphene is a Nobel Prize winning material. Graphene was discovered in 2004. The gentleman that won the Nobel Prize, they were awarded the Nobel Prize in 2010. The benefits of graphene: it's a 99.9% bacteria killer. That's a fact. You can research it. Literally, a bacteria and a graphene atom can't coexist because it splices it in half whenever it gets in the way. But also, graphene contains what's called vibrational energy, positive electrons. One of the benefits of that graphene is women have been testifying to us. It helps with the smell, the aroma that women deal with during that time of month. It also helps with their cramp. And this is what they're telling us. We don't make any medical claims. That's not what we say in our product do, because different women will have different results. We're explaining what we are being told. We're being told that their cycle is being shortened. Where they were 7 to 10 days, some are down to 2 to 3 days now on their cycle. Because why? The chemicalization is not there. And the fact of the absorbency and the phenomenal graphene that we have. So I'm going to demonstrate the positive electrons and the vibrational energy. As you can see, the chip that's inside the actual infusion that's inside of all of our pads. Guess what, guys? It's not electrocuting me. Nothing is wrong. Nothing's happening. I got the light bulb in my hand. It's not illuminated. It's not lit. But the minute this light bulb, the 7-watt light bulb, this is a 7-watt light bulb now, not a 40 or 60 watt. The minute it senses any type of energy, it would illuminate. And that's what the graphene is doing. Hey guys, we're still not done with graphene. I know you saw some amazing things, but here's what I'm going to do now. I'm going to take this cup of water here, right? Literally. And I'm going to take iodine. That's right. I say it iodine. I want you guys to see this. I'm going to put 4 drops of iodine in the water. 1, 2, 3, hold on, 3, 4, right? And as you can see, the water is gold. It's turned brown. I'll stir it to make sure you see there's no tricks. I'm going to actually take a strip out of our panty liners here. I'm going to drop in the water and I'm going to begin to circulate it. And as you can see, the water is totally clear. The power of graphene. Guess what we want you to know? Graphene is going to be used to purify water here real soon because of the amazing benefits that graphene possess. Having this with you on a monthly basis is totally amazing to your bodies, ladies. So once again, we want you to visit and take a look at our rain pads. You know, find how you can get your hands on them with an individual out there to be able to use our rain sanitary napkins. But also, we want to say to you, as our slogan states, finally, her feminine flow has met its match. Ladies, you don't have to be uncomfortable anymore during that time of month.